Well, hello everybody. Hello everybody. My name is Titus William Bogle, otherwise called Tighty, and I am calling from Linstead in Clarendon. And I want to send special greeting to all of my family members over there in a farrin, especially my sister Hyacinth over there in New York. I want to send special greeting, special Christmas greeting to you, Hyacinth. But Hyacinth, is a long time I don't hear from you, Hyacinth, I know my phone is down, but I know we used to send letters to each other, and nothing don't change. I know it's technological age now, but Hyacinth, you can still reach out to me. As a matter of fact, I hear that my niece over there get married, Monique, and up until now I don't see one wedding picture. All I know is that I hear that Monique get married to white man. I don't hold anything against her, I still love her, I also want to send special greeting over there to my niece in Atlanta, Georgia. My niece is a lawyer, Merry Christmas, Sharon. Now, Sharon, I know you're sending money to work and your little house out here, you see? But my grandson don't want me to make no call on him phone because he is thief in the money, Sharon. Sharon, he is thief in the money. All I see this boy is doing is buying car. Buying car, and every minute him have on the latest clothes and all of these things. He is not putting no money into the house. And I don't see a dime out of that money. I don't use all that money to do anything. Sharon, I know you are going to hear this, and I'm sorry that the rest of the world will have to find out, but I have to make you know what is going on, you see. I want to send another greeting to my granddaughter over there. Her name is Munchie. Now, Munchie, your grandmother said to tell you that you was a wicked grandpitney. You was a wicked grandpitney because you borrowed $30,000 out of hard-earned money. So you go look for visa from before the pandemic, the COVID leak. And now we no hear nor see nothing from you. Munchie is a wicked girl, Munchie. You run off. But me here say they are New York. You think who would find out? Now your grandmother says she hope so them find you and deport you. So you come back to Jamaica. Come sit down on your body out here at Jamaica because he's a wicked grandpitney. It's her hard-earned money where she work for. And I know you don't even call if you tell her, say, you're rich and you're alright. Not even one little soap. You said not even one little credit and you know we number. But I want to tell you that I still love you, I still love you. Even though you give away heartache and pain because your grandmother work hard for that $30,000. She ball over it every night. Munchie, you have to do better. And when you hear this, Munchie, you know we number. Call me Munchie. But Tighty just want to send special greeting to all my family and generation over there in a farrin, These greetings are coming from myself and my wife Mildred and all of my generation out here to over there. Just to make you know so we love you and we miss you. God bless you.